Welcome back to Ayaz Tech. In this video, we will see how we can create a dialog by using ChatGPT. We will be using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let's begin. So in the previous video, we already have created an account in ChatGPT. Now you just have to open it and here. So just type write code to create a modern dialog by using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and press enter. So you will see that it will give you all of the HTML code, CSS code, and JavaScript code that you can just copy and paste. So HTML is ready. So let's copy the HTML and go to your VS Code, create a new file, index.html, and then HTML5. Here, paste the HTML code, and after that, wait for the CSS. Once CSS is ready, we will copy it as well. Okay, CSS is ready, so I'm going to copy it and go back to the VS Code and add the style tag to paste the CSS that we got from the chat. Okay, next, let's see. You can see that we have JavaScript code ready. So let's try that. So now let's run this file in the browser to see how it works. So, okay, it is looking great. You can see that we did not add anything. We just gave it instruction and it made the dialog. You can see it shows and it hides when you click on the cancel button. So we can hide it as well, or we can, for example, I need another button and I want to open that dialog with the help of that button. So I will tell GPT that update above code to open by clicking on a button. So let's see how it updates that code. So it has created a button that is saying open dialog. So if user clicks on that button, then it will show the dialog. Otherwise this dialog would stay invisible. So in the CSS, it is saying that no changes are required in the CSS. So it is typing although, but it is saying no changes are required. So let it complete. After it is done, it will give us the JavaScript code that we need to update. So meanwhile, I'm going to update the HTML code. So let's just replace this one with the new code. And at the bottom, it has created two functions, open dialog and close dialog. So, okay, so let's copy the code again for the JavaScript and replace this code with the old one. And let's see how it works. So, so you can see the dialog is open. If you close it and if you click on the open dialog, it will open the dialog for you. So that is perfect. You can very quickly create a dialog with the help of this chat GPT, and you can and then you can keep chatting with the chat GPT and you can continue telling it that you need a better version. So it will keep giving you better and better version of your code. So that's how you can create a dialogue by using chat GPT very easily. So if you want to learn more about ChatGPT, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you could keep getting notification for my upcoming videos. Please don't forget to like and share my video, and also leave your comments in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.